Hello, good morning all my YouTubers. My name is Ricardo Portugal. This is my first video to my welding channel. I hope you guys like and subscribe. And something that I will be talking about in my welding channel is going to be about welding, the basics of welding, the introduction to welding, how to run a bead, how to run flat, how to run horizontal, vertical, overhead. You know, I'm new to welding. I'm still a student in Long Beach. We're gonna learn together. You know, if there's some tips that you guys know that I don't know, comment below. Let me know. You know, we learn something every day. But right now, what we're gonna talk about is the basic tools. Basic tools that you need to be a welder. You know, I'm gonna talk about my basic tools. I'm gonna show you my shop, and then we'll get it from there. Here you have my welding shop. It's nothing big, but gets the job done. These are some of the basic tools that you need to become a welder. Here is my Husky cabinet. This is where I keep my flammables, my paint, some MIG wire, my paint gun. Got my air compressor to paint my fences, gates, doors, windows. I am enrolled in school still. I am still a student. I'm learning something new every day, and I'm here to learn with you guys. Here are some welding machines that I carry in my little backyard. A stick welding machine. The one in the bottom is a flux cord welding machine. Here I have a chop saw disc, cutting disc. I have a welding poster, you know, trying to be a little creative. I have a welding sign so people can know that there's welding in this area, to put on your welding hoods, drop the hood, protect your eyes. Here I have an air hose, paint hose, my drill press. I have my chop saw, my work table, basic tools, a hammer, wrenches, basic tools, pliers. Here I have my oxyacetylene welding goggles. I did start it with oxyacetylene in school. Taught me how to run a bead, how to manipulate the puddle. Here's one out of my 2 welding helmets that I have. Here is my table where I practice. I got this little idea from school, even though it is a little different. Here I'm welding on the vertical up. Here I'm welding on the horizontal, on the flat. Here I'm gonna add a pipe on how to do it overhead, and hopefully I record that and put it on YouTube. And here are some of my welding tools. Some of the basic welding tools. I already showed you my welding helmets. I already showed you my welding machines. You always gotta protect yourself. You always gotta wear welding gloves, or else you're gonna get skin cancer or something. Hopefully not. You always need your welding cap when you're welding on the vertical. Sometimes it jumps, sparks on the stick welding. You gotta wear it when you're welding overhead. You need your grinder. See, as an ornamental iron worker, making fences, gates, sometimes you gotta take off the weld, you know, so it could be a smooth fence, you know. Some welders don't like to do it. Some welders like to leave the weld there, you know, to represent their weld, but it's better to be smooth, you know, smooth. So you need your grinder, your cutoff wheels, your grinding wheels, your grinding disc, some cutoff wheels. I always like to keep a stack of everything, you know, a little bit of everything. Some electrodes. see. Now there's a couple types of electrodes. There's different types of electrodes. One, you got the 6010. You can whip and pause on it. You got the 6011s. You got the 6013s. You got the 7018s, 7024s. Everything is 6010, 6011, 6013s. They're a little bit the same. They're like cousins, you know. 7018, 7024. See, that's something else, but I'll get to that on my other videos. Here I have my 6011s, 3/32 diameter. I have 6011s, 1/8 diameter. Here I carry 6010s. Now, once you start making the fence, you start welding it, you start cutting everything off with the chop saw, you paint it, it's ready to install, you put it in your truck, you take it to the customer. Okay, the tools for installation, you need a drill hammer to make the holes. No problem whatsoever. You need your impact. Tighten up the bolts. You need your impact. So you got the drill to make the holes. You got the impact to tighten up the bolts. You need a hammer. You need these to go on the impact. But so far I think we're good. I think, chipping hammer, wire brush. You always need your chipping hammer and wire brush. But besides that, those are your basic welding tools that you need, man. Get them, get it going, man. Thank you for watching my video, and until next time.